In this video, we will be comparing two countertop ice makers, the Electactic ice maker and the COWSAR ice maker. Both machines promise to deliver fresh ice quickly and conveniently, but how do they stack up against each other? Let's dive into the details. When it comes to price, the Electactic ice maker is priced at $199 United States dollars, while the COWSAR ice maker is significantly cheaper at $109 United States dollars. This price difference could be a major factor for consumers looking for value in their ice-making needs. The COWSAR ice maker boasts an impressive production rate of 26.5 pounds of ice in 24 hours, while the Electactic ice maker's production rate is not specified. This makes the COWSAR a more appealing option for those who need a higher volume of ice quickly. The Electactic ice maker offers basic ice-making features, while the COWSAR ice maker includes a self-cleaning function, making it easier to maintain. This added convenience could be a deciding factor for potential buyers. In conclusion, while both ice makers have their merits, the COWSAR ice maker stands out with its lower price, higher ice production rate, and self-cleaning feature. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient ice maker, the COWSAR may be the better choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.